Hey my beautiful people, in today's video I am showing you guys how to make this powerful herbs hair butter for hair grow, moisturizing and shining, all natural and perfect for your natural hair journey. So please, let's start the things. Now I put my shea butter. This shea butter comes from my village. I put 2 shea butter inside my pan already, and now I'm adding my coconut oil into it. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix this. I'm going to melt it. So while it's melting, let us blend my herbs. These herbs, I will make the list in the description below, or you can find some pen and I will tell you guys the herbs that I'm going to use to make this hair butter. Let's start with these healing herbs: Neem, Moringa, Rosemary, olive leaf, mulberry, lavender, clove, hibiscus. Yes, yeah, it's raining. And hibiscus. Those herbs help with hair growth, stop dandruff, and moisturizing the scalp, nourishing your scalp. So guys, after blending my herbs, now I put 2 tablespoons inside, but I will definitely going to add 1 more tablespoon because my target is I'm going to put 3 tablespoons inside. So the rest I will use it and infuse my oil for my daughter hair oil. Okay, so right now I'm putting 3 tablespoons, and the 3 tablespoons is okay for me to use to make this butter. So after that, I added my raw butter also inside, and the next ingredient that I'm adding right now is my olive oil. That one also I'm going to add 2 tablespoons inside. Maybe after that also I may add another carrier oil inside. But let's continue watching. Please, if you want to see the full video, I have the full video in my channel, so you can check out of that channel and see the full video. Also see how I infuse my oil for my daughter. So after melt it, I leave it for 45 minutes, and now I remove it from the fire. I put it aside to get warm, to get cool small before I start straining it, because this thing, when you make it get cool kwata, it will be difficult for you, and if you are going to strain it while it's still hot again, it's going to hurt you. So it's good for you to just put it aside for it to get cool before you start straining it. So guys, after straining it, I put it inside the fridge for 30 minutes to get cool, and now I bring it out. It's time for me to add my next ingredient. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. I love honey. Why I putting it into my routine thing, especially the things that I'm doing for my hair. I don't joke with honey all the time when I'm doing cleanser, or I'm doing shampoo cleanser, or I'm making conditioner, deep treatment. I always add honey. That's why I want it, and because I know that there is benefit for that. It's helping the hair to giving the natural shine, also helping the hair to get more soft. You can be able to be managing your hair easily, especially those who have stubborn hair. If you have a stubborn hair, it's good for you to be adding this thing into your routine. So right now, after that, I'm adding my vitamin E oil inside. Okay, so after that also, guys, you have to be mixing it. And maybe if you can ask me, is it must for you to just use mixture to mix it? Yes, if you have the mixture, why not use your mixture to mix everything, or to whip it because I love my hair butter, I make it in the cream form. So now my next ingredient, I'm adding Grisly inside. Grisly also, it also helping to keeping the moisture throughout of the day. So when you are doing your things, also try, especially those who have the stubborn hair I'm talking, and also even if you don't have stubborn hair, it's having the benefit. So try to be adding it to your routine. Okay, so now my next essential oil, I'm adding coconut essential oil that I'm going to add inside. So anyway, you can add any essential oil of your choice, any essential oil that you have in your hands, you can add inside. And why I'm telling you people, if you have the whip, please try to whip it. If you don't have, then what you have to do, and now let me just tell you people, you see the one that I was adding was organic Moroccan organic oil. That one also I add inside, and I whip it to the cream form. You can see how creaming it is. So this one, when you just take it, is melting. It will melt into your scalp, melt your, look at how shining it is, look at how it's shining my hand, how my hand is shining. Guys, let me show it to you people. See how it's melting. Everything, when you just put inside, it will absorb into your scalp, your hair. Your hair will thank you. Please do it and come back here to thank me later, okay? Also, I also added lavender essential oil inside. I'll bring the essential oils that I added into this butter. And if you want to see the full video of this video, please check my channel. You will see the full video over there and you watch it the full. Please, if you love DIYs, please like my video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you all.